Alright, question is 1.4, number 27 and 31. It's in the parametric equations assignment. We're asked to find the line segment with these as your endpoints. Okay, so parametrics, you need to make an x equation and a y equation. You have to explain what t's are being used. It doesn't specify which is your initial and terminal. I'll just make this my initial initial point and that my terminal point. So if that's the case, my initial x is -1, and if I go from -1 to 5, I have to add 5 to it, so I can put 5t as my slope. And then my y, my initial is -3, and I go from -3 to 1, so I'm going to add 4. Okay, so we said our initial t is 0, and if I plug 0 into both equations, I get -1, -3, which makes that my initial point. And just the way I set it up, if I plug 1 in for t, I get 4, 1. So that should work. So this is one set of parametric equations that'll work. It's the easiest one, just going from 0 to 1. Again, if I wanted it to go slower, I could divide my slope by 2, and then it would just go from 0 to 2 seconds. Or I can make it faster, I suppose. Alright, 31 is a ray, that's the only difference, but they tell you that's your initial, so your initial is 2, 3. So to go from 2 to -1, we actually subtract 3, so plus -3t. And to go from 3 to -1, I subtract 4. So x equals 2 minus 3t, y equals 3 minus 4t. Okay, so then my t, yeah, I'm still going to start at 0, but then since it's a ray, it's going to continue through that point. It's not going to stop like we did up here. It's going to go forever, so greater than, you could say, to infinity.